craziest revenge you got on a Karen? I've dealt with a lot of difficult customers, but this woman, she was on a whole different level. She stormed into the store, no greeting, no small talk, just pure rage. She stomped up to me, shoved a shirt in my face, and snapped, "I need this in a medium. Go get it." I glanced at the shelf. There were only smalls and larges. "Sorry, ma'am. If it's not out here, we don't have it in the back." That should have been the end of it, but no. She squinted at me. "I don't think you actually checked." "Go look." I sighed, nodded, and walked into the back. I stood there for 30 seconds, doing absolutely nothing. Then I walked back out. "Yeah, we still don't have it." That's when she squared up like we were about to fight. "I need to speak to your manager." I smiled. "That's me." Her eye twitched. "No, the real manager." I tilted my head. "That's still me." But then she clenched her fist. "I need someone above you." I took a deep breath, nodded again, and said, "1 second, ma'am." I walked into the back, flipped my hat backward, and walked back out. "Hello, ma'am. I'm the manager. How can I help you?" Her face turned red. Her hands started shaking. She pointed at me like she was casting a spell. "You think this is funny? You're mocking me." Still in full character, I nodded. "Not at all, ma'am. But you do seem a little worked up." And that was it. That was the moment I knew she was going to explode. She whipped out her phone, furiously typing. Then she looked up and screamed, "What's your full name?" I took a deep breath, locked eyes with her, and said, "It's Karen. Karen Jackson." She shrieked, threw the shirt on the floor, stormed out of the store, and even knocking over a mannequin on her way out. And luckily, I never saw her again. It's the craziest revenge you got on